Hello everyone and welcome to my gardening YouTube channel, and today in this video I will be briefly explaining and showing you what sorts of content I make here on YouTube. So first, I do these videos to keep myself and others gardening and to even inspire beginners to start gardening. So yeah, I like to inspire and help others because then I can share my experience with my audience, and it's sort of a back and forth thing so we can all become better at growing things. So I grow quite a few flowers, including dahlias mainly at home. So yeah, they're all in their own little border, so I share on how I'm growing those. I'm trying to improve on tying them back because they sort of grow a bit too well for me because the soil is really good. So yeah, we're definitely going to try and improve on reducing their sizes next year. But last year I grew a very tall sunflower that won a competition. I have also grown another one this year, so we will have to see which competitions that one might win. I've entered them into a couple so far. So furthermore, I am experimenting with no dig on the allotment to see if we can grow more food with less effort, because the no dig style should decrease the amount of weeds by mulching and that. So we're definitely going to be documenting that further and just testing out which methods of no dig work best. So yeah, I'm going to be sharing that with you. So I also grow quite a few types of trees. I've got quite a few videos on how to grow certain types, but in the last few years we have been sort of working on this orchard here. It was all like bracken fern and it was very overgrown. Right at the far end over there was just lots of like these plum type trees, but like the plums aren't very sweet. So all that area was ripped out, and we are planting some nice young trees here. We already have quite a few, so you just see one there, can't quite get it in shot, but we have a couple already grown. But yeah, we're definitely going to be adding more. We're going to be getting some older varieties as well. I'm also going to be experimenting with breeding my own types of apples next year. So a bit more selective breeding, because I'm growing quite a few apples from seed, but they're not selectively bred. So yeah, just going to be trying that out next year as well. Also going to be grafting our own trees. So that should cut the cost down a bit, and we will have a steady supply of trees to either sell or give away after that then. And yeah, I've just mowed it today. And it's all starting to green up now, and it is looking very nice. So whether you're an experienced gardener and want to learn more and see what others are up to, or if you are a complete beginner gardener looking how to grow your own food, flowers, or even some apple trees like these, we've got oak trees on the go as well. So yeah, no matter what category you will place yourself in or what you're looking to grow, I think this channel will cover everything that you will need to know. So yeah, please feel free to click that subscribe button with notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I hope this video has explained a bit what my channel is about to you and what we are going to be doing in the future. So whether you have just found my channel or you are a long time subscriber, I really hope this video did explain a little bit more on what my channel is about. And apart from that, click up here to watch my latest video, and just click below it so you can watch another one of my videos. And yeah, apart from that, thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you all in the next one. So bye bye everybody.